King Machine, the values don't come first. The work did. Over time, certain behaviors showed up again and again, no matter the role or the location. These values weren't assigned, they were observed in how people show up to work and get the job done. One of the first things you notice is how often people step forward. When something needs attention, someone takes ownership.
I bring boldness to work. I mean, the boldness is in me, but I feel the support and confidence from the leadership. I have leadership support. That's how I feel. That gives me reassurance to do the things I do. I know that the leadership here trusts me to be bold, and they trust that I do it for the better of the company and the better for the customer. So they trust me to run the machine the way I do.
You see boldness in how we step up for our customers again and again, whether it's meeting a deadline or working on new projects for them. There's also a constant push to improve. People here don't settle. They look for better ways to work and better ways to deliver.
In the 5 years that I've been here with King Machine, we've seen a lot of transformation in both the way that we do our machining processes and the way that we train our employees. Our employees are at the heart of King Machine, and without them, we wouldn't be able to do the business that we're trying to provide for our customer. We've made a lot of investment inside of our people in terms of training to get them to where we need to be, and we've also made a lot of investment inside the company in terms of our machinery to get our process and our quality where we want it to be for our customers.
This work takes skill and adaptability. Conditions change, challenges come up, and people adjust without losing precision.
We change all the time. When we started out this business, we were doing everything with manual machinery and manual hand tools and all, and now we've just transformed so much, and you have to have the dexterity to keep up with those changes. You have to be able to learn and change processes, and that brings in an ethical excellence, because if you don't care about your company, you don't care about King Machine, then you're not going to put in the hard work to have the excellence to be here.
And underneath it all is a strong sense of responsibility. Doing the job right matters, even when it's harder or takes longer.
I've seen when it comes to like the standard of excellence in here, I've seen that everyone is always striving for the best, you know. Everyone is always, not just because they put that on themselves, but because people and the customers that we're working for, they're always expecting the best from us. To meet that excellence, it requires not just the skill to do it, but also the character, you know, what they are bringing to the table, them wanting to do excellent and meeting the ethical standards that we have in here. So all of that plays out for us to meet the standard of excellence that we're looking for.
Because what we do here, we are proud of what we do here. There's many machinists, machines around the world, but what we do here, this is special.
At the end of the day, this is why customers trust our work. It's the standard we've built and how we operate.
This industry is always changing, and we have to change with it, and we have to want to be good at it. Boldness, transformative, dexterity, ethical excellence, we have to want to work that way and to build our company that way.
Core values, I think it's the lifeblood of the company. It's what is in all of us. What we do here is true, it's honest, it embodies us as individuals and us as an organization. It also gives us an identity out to the world. It measures where we've been, where we are today, and where we want to go in the future. It aligns everything that we do.